Do you have knee pain that makes it hard to sit, stand, or walk? Or do you often have pain in your shoulders, arms, or elbows? Then this video is for you. Joint pain can be very uncomfortable. Many people suffer from pain that affects their quality of life on a daily basis. This pain, which feels like a needle, is accompanied by inflammation and perhaps contractures or stiffness. It often occurs in the ankles, knees, elbows, wrists, and shoulders. The juice we're going to show you today is ideal to solve all these problems. So stay in this video and tell me now, what part of your body are you in the most pain? If you drink this smoothie in the morning, it can be a big help. It's an anti-inflammatory, pain-relieving, and nutritious drink that will help you reduce the inflammatory process and stiffness in the joints. Carrot is a very good vegetable for the detoxification process and nourishment of tissues and bones. It also helps reduce acidity in the body of a person struggling with arthritis. It's also rich in antioxidants and excellent for cartilage health. Fruits like oranges and lemons are great for treating arthritis thanks to their vitamin C content. They help fight inflammation and cleanse the blood and intestines. And turmeric is a root that's often used as a natural remedy for patients with rheumatoid arthritis. To make it very simple, you need 2 carrots, 2 oranges, 250 milligrams turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon, 1 glass of water. First of all, you should remember that you need to control the amount of turmeric in this smoothie. If you overdo the daily dose, it may cause changes in the gallbladder. The first step is to extract the juice from the 2 oranges. Next, we wash the carrots well and cut them into several pieces. Add the glass of water, orange juice, carrots, and turmeric powder in a blender. Blend until you get a smooth mixture. It's recommended to drink this smoothie in the morning on an empty stomach. If you follow a diet low in saturated fats or opt for a Mediterranean diet with fatty acids such as omega-3 and vitamins that strengthen your immune system, you'll achieve even better results. If you don't have oranges for this smoothie, you can use another vitamin C-rich fruit of your choice, such as lemon, papaya, or kiwi. It's important to know that the effects of this smoothie are cumulative. You'll notice its benefits after 5 or 6 days, so remember to include it in your breakfast every day. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.